In this video, I'm going to teach you a quick tutorial on how to create desktop shortcuts here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to click on Start, click on it, and eventually it will show you all of the pinned apps here at the start. And all you need to do is you need to navigate with all so that you can completely show or see all of the apps, the settings, and the documents. So let's say, for example, you would like to create a shortcut for booking.com. And when you try to make a right click here, you won't be able to see a specific option where you can choose from to pin or to create a shortcut here to the desktop. And when you click on more as well, it's not being shown here. And in order to create a shortcut for this one, all you need to do is you need to press and hold the right click and you need to drag your cursor to the desktop, okay? And released it. Okay. And the moment you released it, there you have that you have just successfully create a shortcut here in your Windows 11 desktop. Okay. So let's try again. Bring up the start, click on it, go with all, and then try to select another application or a document or a setting here under the start. Okay. So we just have to locate for the one. Let's say, for example, I want to create a shortcut for the VLC media player. So here. So all you need to do is you need to do a right click and then press and hold it. And then you need to drag your cursor here and release it. In that way, you would be able to create a shortcut for it. Okay, so as you can see, VLC media player. Now that said, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.